My brother was riding his bike and an elderly gentleman ran into him, and he was in the hospital and basically in a coma, brain dead. My biggest concern was the medical bills at the time, but we did know he would be severely disabled for the rest of his life. As you know, that can be pretty tough financially.
When someone contacts our office on a motorcycle accident, their emotional state is one of fear, and they really don't know what happened. For riders out there, you're exposed and you're on the roadways. And as you've heard many times on a motorcycle, it's not the motorcyclist's fault, it's somebody not seeing them and hitting them. So there's generally a significant injury that occurs because you're so exposed on that motorcycle. You want to hire an experienced attorney to handle that claim, to handle that court case, and to fight for you. Some of the biggest mistakes I want to see people avoid on a motorcycle claim is not getting an attorney right away. We've handled motorcycle claims, and you're going to want to get an attorney right away. There can be some serious injury or even a closed head injury on those types of cases, and you want to ensure you're getting the proper medical care and the proper legal representation, and we can help you with both.
Well, I called Tim pretty quickly, wanting to know the options, and he really helped me explore. And he knew the questions to ask and where to go for answers. Brother did pass away. He did have health insurance, but he had over $1 million hospital bill for the 2 weeks. And Tim worked with the insurance and the hospital to work so that we weren't out of cost for that. He also went and worked with the gentleman who hit us, his insurance, and negotiated a payout for my parents for the loss of their son.
The benefit to a client to have an experienced trial attorney prosecute your case is we understand the courtroom. So somebody could be great with the paperwork, they could have experience potentially processing claims, but at the end of the day, you want somebody that can go in front of a jury and obtain justice.
Caring, experienced, knowledgeable. They knew who to call for what. They really know our medical community, and I appreciate that they had that expertise, especially Tim, but also his staff.
When somebody's waiting because they don't think they can afford an attorney on an injury claim, it's important to understand that you're not going to be paying the attorney. We work on a contingency fee agreement, which means we get a percentage of the money that's recovered. So if you're delaying and saying, I can't afford somebody on my injury claim, please know it's a contingency fee and you're not going to be paying us an hourly rate or a wage concerning that. We're going to get money from your claim.